Hi friends, welcome to Himself. So today is the 80th episode in the biology series. So today we're going to discuss about a symptom known as inflammation. So sometimes you got an infection somewhere on your body, on your skin. Like take this part of my hand. So an infection is happening here. So suddenly it starts swelling for some reason. So that swelling effect is known as inflammation. Yes. Not to be confused with inflation. Yes. So both of them are pretty much different. But they have one small thing in common. That is the letter I is in the front. Nothing else. Yes, that's the only similarity between both of them. So now let's start about inflammation. Yes. So now let's take our skin. This is the first layer of the skin. Just the layers of the skin as a total. Okay. So the layer of skin, it just protects us from other bacteria outside. Yes. So suddenly something just pierces through. A nail. You are walking on the road without any shoes for some reason, and for some reason there is nail and your feet is now hurting a lot. So this is the nail. So this nail suddenly came. So now many bacteria will start to attack, because there's a big hole to enter, and the bacteria will start to swarm the place. So because of this nail, important blood vessels, that means important here means pretty small blood vessels, would be just cut. Yes. So cut pieces of the blood. Okay. So this is the blood vessels. So what is released when the blood vessels are cut? Plasma. Yes, so the plasma is the liquid which is inside the blood, which makes it a liquid. Yes. So because there is the immune system starts to take care of it, and neutrophils just start to come out of the blood. But in the meanwhile, a process known as inflammation occurs. Inflammation doesn't naturally occur when the blood just goes away, but it only occurs when three kinds of cells state so. They are the neutrophils, the macrophages, and the mast cells. Only they have control over the inflammation. So if they say so, inflammation will start to happening. So the plasma from here will start to go up, and then it will start to swell a lot. And now blood cells are also starting to being pushed out. Now there's a big bulge. That's why if you have an inflammation or swelling like that, you could see it as a bit red. Yes, so this red blood is the reason for that redness. Yes, so all of this plasma just goes up at the top and just stays here for some time. So this is just the acute version of inflammation. Yes, acute is just normally when an infection happens. Yes. So many times when an infection happens, inflammation is most likely to occur, because it's a very important immune symptom. Yes, immune response. But there is one main disadvantage. If there's too much inflammation, it can kill a person. So for example, if you get COVID-19, for example, just you got COVID-19, so it will go into your lungs, right? Because it's a respiratory virus. Yeah. So if you got a more severe case of the COVID-19, then your body will try to throw every resource at that virus. Yes. So leading to inflammation also happening inside this lung. So inflammation inside the lungs is very dangerous, because that can start drowning. The fluid or the plasma inside the inflammation or swelling part will just start to release outside, causing us to start drowning within ourselves, not even touching a body of water. We'll just start drowning for no random reason, and the only reason is this inflammation thing happening. Yes. So yeah, the inflammation is also pretty dangerous if it doesn't happen at the right place. Yes. So yeah, this is for today about inflammation. Yes, one last thing. So there is again chronic inflammation, like inflammation that can last for months or even years. Yes. So things like some disorders some syndromes like sinusitis, all of those all of those diseases ending with itis are some type of inflammation related things. Yes, I myself have some sinusitis mixed into my sinuses. So yeah, this for today about inflammation. Bye.